Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do viral photo editing using Nano Banana. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to open up Gemini and then we can use the Nano Banana to create photo editing. You can open up the Gemini or you can visit the Gemini website. Okay, and then make sure that you choose Nano Banana feature here. Select this feature shown by this banana icon and you need to choose Gemini 2.5 Flush. Okay, and for today's tutorial, I'm going to create the viral Polaroid photo with Idol. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and click on gallery. And then I'm just going to pick random photos from my gallery, guys. Oops, sorry. I'm going to choose, for example, this photo and also this photo. Click on done. And then I'm going to add the prompt. Okay, to create the AI Polaroid photo, you can add this prompt and I'll put the prompt on the description. Okay, and then I'm going to send the prompt and also the images. Okay, and just hold on, it's still loading. And basically you can use Nano Banana to edit any photo that you want. You can also combine two photos or more, and it's up to you. You can edit your background using Nano Banana and then change your hairstyle, change your makeup, change your photo. It's up to you. You can do anything with Nano Banana. You can also change the place on your photo. Okay, and this is the result. And if you want to download the image, just click on the image and then you can click on this download icon and the photo will be saved to your device. And tips from me guys, if you want to combine two photos and create this viral Polaroid photo, you can use the photo with clear background and with the clear face, so the face doesn't change and the pose will be good. And I'm going to show you the other editing I have created with Nano Banana. For example, this photo, I asked Nano Banana to change the hairstyle to short. Okay, and the other one, wait, oh, this one. You can also create this miniature with Nano Banana. And yeah, that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.